Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be bleaching my roots and doing a bleach bath. I'm going to be using 40 volume developer. I do not recommend you use this, but this is just what I prefer. So if you are using this as a tutorial, you are going to need a mixing bowl, a tinting brush, and lots of gloves. Also, you're going to need something to section out your hair just to make it easier. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is mixing my bleach, and I'm going to use 1 scoop of bleaching powder, and then I'm going to be using 2 scoops of developer. These are the instructions for this specific bleach. Make sure that you mix this up really well. You don't want a lot of clumps, and you kind of want it to be a creamy mixture. You want it to not be runny but not be too thick. So yes, I like to start on my sides first. This is only because I prefer my sides to be bleached first, so they are extremely light. They're going to be buzzed off in about a week anyway, so I just like to enjoy the really light sides. But whenever you bleach your hair, you want to start from the bottom up. And the reason being, if for whatever reason, if your hair breaks off, it's better to break off underneath than straight on top. Also, I've just found it easier to do it this way. I tend to miss less spots by doing it this way. So I go all the way through from bottom to top, and then after I finish, I go through and and then it's easier to see what I've missed because those spots have already lightened, and then I can just go through and put bleach on the spots that I've missed. And I also want to mention the back is the hardest part to do, so getting that part done first just seems like the better option. I don't do this part perfectly. I do the best that I can. It's the back of my head. I'm using 2 mirrors, so it's still a challenge to try and know what I'm doing working with 2 mirrors.
Savior, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. To the floor. Only when the dust sets, you start to regret all the things that you've been fighting for. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free.
So now I'm going to be mixing my bleach bath, which is half shampoo and half bleach. And I'm going to be starting from the bottom up and just scrubbing it throughout my hair, making sure to saturate every single part of my head.
And up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh.
I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. I'm going to cover it with a plastic bag. Usually I have shower caps, but I keep forgetting to go pick those up. So I'm just going to wrap this up with a grocery bag, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair.
Lights are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed.
So this is the finished product. There's still some green in my hair, and in my next video I'm going to be trying some different methods to try to get that out so that I can finally dye my hair another color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Don't forget it when life feels slow motion. Just hold me.